Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Toyota Century stands as the ultimate symbol of Japanese ultra-luxury where tradition, innovation and absolute comfort come together in a way no other vehicle dares to attempt. From the moment you look at it, the Century does not shout for attention, instead it commands respect with its perfectly balanced proportions, signature phoenix emblem and a design that favors elegance over aggression. Every line feels intentional, every detail whispers prestige rather than screaming status. This is not a car built to impress crowds, it is built to satisfy those who already have everything. Step closer and you notice the handcrafted paint finish that takes days to perfect, reflecting light like polished porcelain, while the subtle chrome accents and upright stance give the Century a regal presence unlike anything else on the road. Open the door and the world outside instantly disappears, because inside the 2026 Century feels more like a private lounge than a car. The cabin is a masterpiece of Japanese craftsmanship, featuring the finest wool upholstery available for those who prefer traditional comfort, along with premium leather options that feel impossibly soft to the touch. Real wood trim meticulously finished by master artisans surrounds you, creating a warm, calming atmosphere that no mass-produced luxury car can replicate. The rear seats are the true highlight, designed primarily for chauffeured travel with power reclining functions, leg rests, heating, ventilation and massage systems that gently adjust to your body, ensuring total relaxation even on the longest journeys. Silence is sacred inside the Century thanks to advanced sound insulation, acoustic glass and active noise cancellation, creating an environment so quiet you can hear your own breathing. The suspension glides effortlessly over imperfections, making rough roads feel like smooth silk under the wheels. Technology in the 2026 Toyota Century is present but never intrusive, because true luxury means technology should serve you without demanding attention. A massive rear entertainment display allows passengers to work, relax or enjoy media in crystal clear quality, while a premium sound system tuned specifically for the Century delivers rich, balanced audio that feels like a live performance. Climate controls are individually adjustable for each rear passenger, ensuring personalized comfort, and ambient lighting subtly enhances the serene mood without ever feeling flashy. Under the hood, the 2026 Century embraces modern efficiency with a refined hybrid powertrain, delivering smooth, effortless acceleration rather than aggressive speed. Power is delivered in the most refined way possible, with seamless transitions between electric and engine power, making every drive feel calm, controlled and dignified. This vehicle is not built for racing or showing off numbers, it is built to provide confidence, stability and unmatched smoothness. Whether cruising through city streets or traveling long distances, safety is equally prioritized with advanced driver assistance systems that work quietly in the background, monitoring surroundings, maintaining lane position, adjusting speed and protecting occupants at all times. The doors close with a reassuring solid feel, reminding you that this is a vehicle engineered with obsessive attention to detail. Every control, every switch, every surface feels perfectly weighted and intentional. Even the way the seats move and the doors open has been tuned for elegance. The 2026 Toyota Century is more than just transportation, it is a statement of values representing humility, craftsmanship, reliability and timeless luxury. It appeals to leaders, executives and individuals who value refinement over excess and substance over trends. In a world filled with loud luxury SUVs and futuristic designs, the Century remains proudly different, honoring its heritage while embracing modern advancements. It proves that true luxury does not need to change drastically to stay relevant, it simply needs to be perfected generation after generation. The 2026 Toyota Century is not just Toyota's flagship, it is a cultural icon, a rolling expression of Japanese philosophy, where comfort, respect and perfection are treated as essentials, not options. And for those who understand its meaning, owning a Century is not about being seen, it is about arriving in absolute serenity and unmatched dignity. Well, see you next video.